Yes guys, so this is a 2004 Toyota Camry 2.4 engine. So this car was giving me like a misfire cylinder number 3 right there. So what I do, so this car was driving bad, really bad. So I take my scanner and scan it and give me cylinder number 3 misfire. And what I did, I took ignition coil number 1 and put it on the number 3, put number 3 on the number 1, and when I go scan the car again, it still give me cylinder number 3 misfire. I said, man, so what's going on here? So what I do, so I call a friend of mine. He told me to check the fuel injector, so from number 3. So I already take it out, number 3. So I'm gonna show you. So it's right there. So you see, it's clogged off. So no fuel so come out. So that was my problem, fuel injector. So if one of you guys have the same problem, so if you swap the coil and then it still gives you the same code, so number 2, check your fuel injector. See, it's clogged off. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that was my problem. So now the car gonna run smooth and smooth. This is how you fix so misfire. So if you swap, I'm gonna say again, so I'm sorry guys for my language. So you know, I don't really speak good English, you know what I'm saying? So you guys probably understand me. Okay, so if you have a misfire, so whatever, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, so my problem now is number 3. So if you swap the coil number 3 to number 1 and you put number 1 on number 3, you scan it, and your scanner still gives you cylinder number 3 misfire. So the next thing to do is check this right there, and you will fix your problem. So that's it guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.